it's time to rethink adoption. I've been doing this 15 years. Some of these CRM companies have been around over 20, 25 years, and we have been talking about adoption for as long as there has been a CRM system. And maybe it's time that we started rethinking adoption, especially in a law firm, because in a law firm, like we said, time is money. There's no mandating, and people are incredibly busy. Now everybody's remote. Maybe instead of measuring success by, are the attorneys entering their contacts and adding people to lists, maybe we should start to think about it in new ways. Consumption as a proxy for adoption. Are they getting the information they need when and where and in the format that they need it in order to develop business, make smart decisions, reach out on a regular basis to prospects? Another thing to think about is, if you've got people who are billing, $1,000 an hour like some attorneys do, is the highest and best use of their time updating lists and entering contacts? Maybe we can use technology like ERM or enterprise relationship management systems that capture the contacts from the signature blocks of the emails. Some of the competitive intelligence and data sources to bring in business and industry. So finally, we can pull an industry list, an energy list, so we can do an energy seminar for our energy clients. And then some really smart firms who are doing things like tracking activities, business development opportunities. They're like, how can we leverage the support staff? How can we have data stewards focused on data, assistants entering in data that's needed or maybe updating things, and then using the BD and marketing team to enter the activities that are needed and to really support the attorneys with what they need. It's a better model, I think. And they can create the activities, they can create the opportunities, and just generate the reports that the attorneys need and get them sort of on-time information. So let's start defining success by the value the system provides, not by data entry.